Definitely going to be a great addition to your home. It features sensitive touch control panel. The temperature is adjustable between 37 to 64 Fahrenheit, and it can be set up in Celsius or Fahrenheit. It also has a built-in blue light, which looks really nice. The cooler comes with 3 pull-out shelves, which is very convenient. They're durable and sturdy. The height is also adjustable. You can rearrange them the way it suits you the best. The size of the cooler is 33.5 inches height, 15 inches long, and 23 inches width. And it's a perfect size to place it under the counter, in your living room, bedroom, or garage.